Namaskar and welcome. I, Ashmata Agarwal, am pleased to welcome you to a student effort at bringing a well loved day of celebration closer to those who have made every effort of their own at bringing the world to us. Rooted in history and growing ever larger over the years, the relationship between a teacher and their students remains a sacred one. Steeped in tradition, the seed of this relationship is sown in trust, watered by knowledge, nurtured by guidance, and finally grows from a sapling into a strong tree that owes all it has achieved to the light that shines upon it from all directions, continuing to provide stability throughout the long years. This day today, the 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day every year in commemoration of the great thinker and philosopher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birth anniversary, who believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country, and so they are. This year, while we find ourselves restrained in our celebrations, the colors that brighten up these connections are as bright as ever, virtual though they may be. And we give thanks to our gurus, our teachers, our heroes for their selfless efforts in shaping so many young minds, enhancing their careers, and enriching the education system in the process while ensuring that their charges become the best version of themselves that they could be. And so, showing our teachers our appreciation and admiration, we welcome our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Ashok Gupta, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. T.N. Mathur, Registrar Dr. Rakhi Gupta, Advisor IIS University Dr. K.S. Sharma, Dean Faculty of Science Dr. Pradeep Bhatnagar, Dean Faculty of Commerce and Management Dr. M.K. Sharma, Dean Academics and Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences Professor Rupa Mathur, our beloved faculty members and all the members of the non-teaching staff. Welcome to this virtual Teachers' Day celebration 2020. Dance is a prayer sent up to the heavens, bringing grace and harmony together to invoke the blessings of the divine. Let us now witness an elegant performance by the students of the Performing Arts Society.
हाँ कर सकते हैं ना आप अगर पार्टी से अटेंड ही नहीं हो
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Every student creates, holds, and cements a special relationship with those who help them become the best versions of themselves. To show you our gratitude for the love and support you so freely give to us, we now present to you a tribute from our student fraternity.
Shines a light on the path towards leading a successful successful life. Today, I thank my teachers for their hard work and dedication to make us who we are today. Happy Teachers Day!
Teachers can change life with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day.
We know that teaching can sometimes be thankless. Today, we want to thank all the teachers for giving us an education so priceless. Thank you for always motivating and encouraging us. Thank you for all the efforts you have put in to make our life better and easier. Happy Teachers Day!
Teachers who love teaching, teaches students love learning. And I'm very thankful for my teachers for making our learning so interesting and worthwhile. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day.
A great teacher is like a candle who consumes itself to light the way for others.
Integrity and character. So, big thanks, teachers. Today, I, Ayushi Chaudhary from IIS, wish a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers plant the seed of knowledge that grows forever. No other profession would have ever been possible if you weren't there to guide our ways. So thank you so much, teachers, and a very happy Teachers' Day.
It is indeed a great saying that a teacher is like a candle. It burns itself to light the way of others. With this belief, I wish namaskar to my teachers and a very happy Teachers' Day to all my heroes of IIS family. I am very thankful to each one of you for bringing out the best in us. Despite the pandemic and unprecedented challenges, you've never failed to provide us with the best of education and have always helped the students in bringing out their latent skills and capabilities. Also, your strong motivation has always helped the students in elevating their minds to greater heights. We will always be grateful to you for your support and kindness. And with this, I would like to express my gratitude to each one of you. Thank you, teachers.
We never clapped for you from our balconies or lit a candle for your services.
We saw your passion during the
Thank you, teachers, for all your love and support. You inspire us every day. No matter where we go, you will always be a part of us.
Happy Teachers Day to all our gurus. We love you and we miss you.
Namaskar to all my teachers. My words can never pay the knowledge that you have given us. My words can never tell how acknowledged we students are to you. You have not only given us the academic lessons, but the lessons of the life, how to live a good, a beautiful life, a successful life. I really appreciate all the efforts, all the hard work that you put in each and every student to make them a successful person, to make the best out of them. You are my ideal, my superhero, the inspiration of my life. I really thank you for all the love, for the care, the guidance that you've given to me. I wish you a good health. I wish you a happy Teachers' Day to all my beautiful teachers of my college. Thank you so much.
A mother, a friend, a guide. Our dear teachers have played all these roles in our life. In an ocean of students, they saw unique possibilities in each one of us. They taught us that asking right questions is as important as having right answers. They taught us to learn from our mistakes from yesterday. They nurtured our tomorrow. They taught us to live happily in our present as it is a gift by God. They made us capable to take the challenges of life. At times, they scolded us, but concealed a well of love underneath. They made us what we are today. Our teachers are our real heroes. A very, very, very happy Teachers' Day to all our heroes.
Namaskar. जीवन का एक नया हिस्सा शुरू हुआ इस मोड़ पर, अनजानों के इस दुनिया में गुरु को हाथ जोड़कर।
कभी सलाह दी तो कभी डांट कर हमें पाठ पढ़ाया। आपने ही मेहनत का अर्थ हमें समझाया।
सपने हैं आपने दिखाए, उन्हें पूरा करना भी आप ही ने सिखाया।
हर मोड़ पे साथ आपने है निभाया, शिक्षा का ज्ञान आपने है करवाया।
सही गलत को समझना आपने है सिखाया, कमजोरी को ताकत में आपने है बदलवाया।
सफलता का रास्ता आपने बताया, हर मुश्किल से लड़ना आपने है सिखाया। Thank you to all the teachers. We wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Hashtag our teachers are hero. Hashtag teachers from India. नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। आदर्शों की मिसाल बनकर बाल जीवन संवारता शिक्षक, सदाबहार फूल सा खिलकर महकता और महकाता शिक्षक।
नित नए प्रत्येक आयाम लेकर हर पल भविष्य बनाता शिक्षक, संचित ज्ञान का धन हमें देकर खुशियां खूब मनाता शिक्षक।
प्रकाश पुंज का आधार बनकर कर्तव्य अपना निभाता शिक्षक, प्रेम सरिता की बनकर धारा नाव पार लगाता शिक्षक। हैशटैग आवर टीचर्स आर हीरो।
No path can be traveled alone without the aid of a trustworthy guide who not only shows you the path but gives you the courage to walk on secure in your own strength. One such guide in whom we trust is the Almighty. Another is the teacher who lights the way with wisdom. With that, please welcome and enjoy the upcoming heartfelt melodic expression.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. By this mantra, we would like to wish all our teachers a very happy Teachers Day. With the warm blessings of all the IAS deemed to be university teachers, we are going to dedicate a song to all of you, and especially the music department, under whose guidance we have learned so much and yet more to learn. Through this song, we want to express that teachers are the ones who always shows us the right path of life, and whether they are visible or not, their presence and virtue is consistently stay around us like an almighty God.
तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथ मेरे कदमों के तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा. डाल तो नजर हाथों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे, हाथ की लकीर को उड़ता मरोड़ता है हौसला रे, तू खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में, तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे, कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में, वो शाम भी तो क्या जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा, उस दर पे फिर होगी मेरी सुबह. है जुदा। तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा।
The Alumni Association of the ISU Family Bandhan has come together to share their love and respect for the teachers in these times that have taught us the true value of all those who have instructed, coached, and guided us not only in person but also online. This simple message is for you. I now request our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Ashok Gupta, to say a few words and bless us all.
Namaskar. I would like to congratulate the teachers of the IS Dintubi University and the students who have put up such a great show today on the occasion of Teachers' Day. We are living in different times now. It has been almost 6 months that we could meet physically. It's all online. If we had the normal working, probably we could have had a grand function. The students could have interacted with their teachers, they could have paid their respect to their teachers, and the teachers could also have blessed the students in person. But things are beyond our control. I must, on this occasion, thank all our teaching fraternity for doing the best whatever they could in order that they could have a connect with the students. We also appreciate the efforts of the students that they have adapted to the new system of online learning. In fact, the program which has been put up today is online, and many things, I think the whole world had changed, our perceptions had changed, our way of thinking had changed, and I think a lot is going to change in the coming days. On this occasion, I thank the students again for having showed their respect to the teachers, and whatever they could do within a short period, they have to try to concise it, compile it, and put up in the honor of their teachers. Once again, I congratulate the teachers and the students, and I wish the students a great future. And I'm sure teachers would feel proud of all of you because you are our asset. The students are an asset. They are our ambassadors. They are our flag bearers. And I believe that whatever good has been brought into you will pay rich dividends in your lives. With these words, I again thank all of you for having put up this program. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, sir. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "If a country is to become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. We cannot achieve great heights without the unstinting support of those who unfailingly help us to become who we are today and who we will become in the future. And so, with hopes that we have been able to convey to you the regard we hold you in, I, Ashmita, bring this event to a close. A very happy Teachers' Day to our teachers, our heroes, once again. But before we depart, I request everyone to turn on their videos for the time-honored tradition of a group photograph.
Please turn on your videos.
Thank you so much. Are you happy?